It's kind of weird that we're two people are walking in to share a sandwich.
All right, Homegrown Lincoln. It is Matt Mick here again with your latest Food 411 series, which is the Reuben. I'm here with David again. I'm sure you guys have seen David around. How's it going, man?
Good, doing well.
So this series, this season, we are on the search for Lincoln's best Reuben. If you guys don't remember from our last episode, again, a Reuben is a sandwich, which we discovered.
Chicken with chips.
Which we discovered originated in Omaha. David doesn't believe me, but whatever. So we're really pumped for this. So as always, guys, we have rules for this. They can't know we're coming. Yeah. Obvious rule. Yeah. 1 bite. We failed last time. Sorry. And number 3 is it's got to be a Reuben, no Rachel. So.
Wait, what?
Yeah, a Rachel. You know what a Rachel is?
No.
So a Rachel is a Reuben with turkey.
Oh.
Yeah. Instead of the corn. Yeah.
Gotcha.
So we'll get there next time. That's all right. Hey, dude, grab one. Oh, it looks really good.
It does. All right, I think I'm going to go for a middle bite. I can't wait.
Guys, we're at Bison today. Bison is on P Street in like, what, 12th or 13th? Somewhere on P by the really tall sculpture and the dizzying sidewalk. You will find Bison with their awesome patio. So that's where we're at today, guys. Known for their sandwiches. I'm pretty pumped. You pumped?
Absolutely.
Let's do this.
Do it.
Cheers, buddy. I would say there's a sufficient enough amount of the meat. The meat is also really tender.
It is.
Sometimes with a Reuben, like it's not all that tender and there's like fatty, but I bit right through it. It was really good.
Yeah, and the sauerkraut, it's not like overpowering. It's just complimentary.
Breaking the rules again. What do you think?
Well, I don't have anything to compare it to like today with what you've been, because I'm just a guest here.
Yep.
But as far as Reubens I've tasted in the past, I'd say this is a solid probably 8, maybe 8.5.
Yeah.
It's up there. I like the balance of it. It's not, and the sauce that they've got on here is not overpowering.
Yeah, it's not. I almost feel like you can have a little more sauce. I could really taste the rye in it.
I love the rye.
Yeah, which, I don't know, I really want to taste more maybe like the stuff inside of the sandwich a little bit. I feel like you could have a little more kraut.
Yeah, probably. It looks like it's like right there in the middle. Yeah. Like I took the bite right out of the middle. Yeah. And there's a good amount of kraut balance there, but like on the edges, I don't see any.
That being said, you said around 8.85. I'm like around right at an 8. So I think an 8's a good score for this. So you guys, we're at Bison in the dizzying circle of sidewalk here. You'll find us. Just go on a walk. You'll see it. But we're going to do an 8.0. So stay tuned for our next. We're going to be on the search. If you have any suggestions on where we can find a Reuben, comment below. Like us on Facebook and Instagram. Feel free to share. We'll see you at the next.